Hello everyone! Welcome back at my channel. It's me, Lizelle at Math Attic. Today we're going to talk about the distance formula. When we know that I already discussed about the midpoint, now it's time to discuss about the distance formula. When we have the form of x sub 1 thus y sub 1, remember I already colored this. X is red and Y is blue so that you can easily understand. Then this is the point 1 and this is the point 2. For 2 points, X sub 1 and Y sub 1, which is the point 1, and X sub 2 and Y sub 2, which is the point 2. So we can draw a right triangle, like for example here in our coordinates 6 and 4. Remember the red color is in x-axis and the black color is in y-axis. This one, and remember this one in the form, so you can have point 1 and point 2. And here in the black one is 4 and 11, and then we can draw a graph. Then you can point here. Luguin ko na para maintindihan nyo agad. Lalagyan natin ito ng point. So, point 4 and 6, remember, is the x-axis is the red one. So, in horizontal line, here is negative line here. So, we have negative 8. And then, this one is 6 and 4 from the first point. And this one is, we can have more lines here, so we have positive 11. Remember, it's y-axis in the second point. This is x-axis in the horizontal line, and this is negative axis, and here is y-axis. So hindi ko na siya lalagyan sa baba. Unahin na lang natin yung kung saan nandito yung location ng ating point, yung point 1 natin at saka point 2 dito. So gagawa tayo ng point dito. Draw a dot here, and then if we connect each other, dito i-connect natin siya, yan. Tapos maging right triangle na yan siya dito. So mayroong connection ang Cartesian coordinates at ang geometry, na yun ay tinatawag na analytic geometry. So parang ganun na yun. Tapos dito i-connect natin siya, yun maging triangle na siya. Ayan. At sa side na ito, yung horizontal line is yun yung A natin. And this one is Y. Yung point 1 natin. And point 2, this one is point 1 from Y. Remember, the vertical line is the Y-axis. So, tapos ito yung yan. So, y-axis dito siya. So, maging x sub 2 minus y sub 1. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa distance. Yung dito naman sa horizontal line is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Remember that in the other line here is our b here is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. And then here is our hypotenuse, so we can find the distance between here. Kung ano yung distance nila. Kung baga sa geometry, we have c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Ito yung ginagamit ng formula sa geometry. So, kung gamitin natin dito, ayan, magbibilang tayo ng numbers dito going up here. So, we have 14. So we have 14 squared. Positive. Ang B naman, pataas, yung y-axis, bilangin natin, maging 7 siya. So, lagay natin siya dito sa side na to. 7 squared. Tapos, 14 times 14, maging squared na 14 times 14 is 196. Plus, 7 times 7 is 49. And then, itotal natin siyang lahat. Magiging 245 na yun. Tapos, gamitin natin yung square root principle. So, sa c squared, gamitin natin yung square root principle para ma-cancel out yung 2. At kung mag-square root kayo sa kabila, ganun din yung gagawin nyo sa kabila. I-square root nyo rin siya. So, magiging ganun na yun. 245. So, magiging square root of 49 times 45. At ang answer niya ay C equal to 7 square root of 5. Then, approximately 15.652. So, ganito yung distance niya sa kung gamitin natin yung yung principle na to, yung formula na to. Pero yung original ng distance formula, ito yung kabuuan nito, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Kinukolor ko na rin yung x para madali yung i-locate dito kung mag-solve kayo. And then, squared yan sila lahat. And then, we can substitute the value of x here, x sub 2 and y sub 1. From here, we have ang x sub 2 natin ay negative 8 here. So, we have yung y natin dito, yung vertical line and distance. So, we have the value of x sub 2 is negative 8 here. So, we have x sub 1 and x sub 2. X sub 2 is negative 8 here. Minus, x sub 1 naman natin ay 6. So, ilalagay natin, ima-minus natin yung 6 here. And then, squared. Remember to put the squared. At i-add natin yung y sub 2. Ang y sub 2 natin ay 11. Minus y sub 1 natin is 4. Minus 4. And then, i-squared natin to. And then, negative 8 plus negative 6 is negative 14. So, squared to siya. Plus 11 minus 4 is equal to 7 squared. So, i-total natin siya. 14 times 14. Remember, negative times negative is positive. So, it is positive 196. And 7 squared is 49. I-squared natin to pareho, ha? Don't forget to put the square root. And then, 196 plus 49 is square root of 40. 245. And then, 245 is not a perfect square. So, i-divide natin siya. So, square root of 49 times square root of 5 is equal to square root of 49 is 7. And you copy the square root of 5. Pwede nang hindi nalagyan ng dot. 7 square root 5. And it is approximately 15.652. So, it is the same as we can use the formula in the hypotenuse. Remember, it is the same answer. So, our distance, we can put it here. Distance is square root 7 square root of 5. Hindi na natin lagyan ng point. Understood na yan as it is multiplied by square root of 5. And then it is approximately 15.652. So this is how we can solve the distance formula by using the distance formula. So, ito yung gagamitin natin yung distance. Gaya nitong C and D. Yes, this one. So, remember, don't forget. Thanks for watching. It's me, Lizelle Amanya. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the subscribe button. Thank you.